In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify your Notion workspace and stop feeling overwhelmed. If Notion feels chaotic, you're not alone. Overwhelm usually comes from messy pages and not knowing where to start. The solution is to simplify, and we'll do that by creating a clean structure you can actually stick to. Begin with one main workspace so everything lives in a single home base. Inside that, group your pages into clear, high-level categories like school, work, and personal. Think of these as folders that make it obvious where things belong. If a page doesn't clearly fit anywhere, it probably needs to be renamed or merged with a page that already exists. Keeping names short and consistent goes a long way toward making navigation feel effortless. Next, lean on templates. They prevent you from reinventing the wheel each time you create a task list, a notes page, or a calendar. You can use Notion's built-in templates or your own simple ones. The key is to avoid starting from scratch, because that's where complexity creeps in. Once you find a layout that works, reuse it. Now, clear the visual noise. Hide pages you don't need right now by nesting them under toggle lists, or move them into an archive section. Think of the archive as your attic, still accessible but out of the way. If you're unsure whether to keep something, archive it first. You can always bring it back later. From here, build only the essentials. Create a straightforward task list so you always know what's next. Keep it minimal with just what you truly need, like a title and a due date. Add more only when you feel the pinch. Set up a simple notes page where all your quick thoughts and meeting notes can live in one place. Finally, add a calendar to see upcoming items at a glance. These three pieces form your core system, and they're enough to run your day without distraction. Resist the urge to use every Notion feature at once. That's what makes things overwhelming. Start small, use your setup for a few days, then adjust based on what you actually miss. Consistency beats complexity every time. By keeping your workspace unified, your categories clear, your extras hidden, and your tools limited to a task list, a notes page, and a calendar, Notion becomes easier to manage and much less overwhelming. Keep it simple, stick with it, and let your system grow only when you truly need it.